I've been waiting here for you all along.
Mga lods, kabit na po natin mga lods. Dito naman tayo sa bottom bracket mga lods. Bottom bracket halotek mga lods. May kalog na po siya mga lods, kalog. Kailangan na po palitan ng bearing o isang set na halotek bottom bracket. Paalam muna natin sa may-ari mga lods.
You've been, where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
Halotek mga lods, palit pa tayo ng bottom bracket halotek.